with a headache. I think I might have slept late last night. Put my face in to my pillow, saying sorry, I will make notes, I will fix my sleep schedule tonight. Oh, I might, I'll try, but now I just need to wipe the sleep out of my eyes. I know I won't make it out of my bed if I keep biding my time. I just need some coffee in the morning, no sugar or tea, 'cause I can feel my eyelids falling, they're trying to sleep. But if I take